Hi everyone, you can see the data file here, uh, which is an example data file of Titanic. Now, first we're going to learn about how exactly we can able to analyze the data by using pivot table. To start with this, first what we're going to do, we're going to convert the data current data file into a table format. Then we're going to pivot table and analyze the data. So to start with, I'll convert this file into table format. To do it, we have to press Ctrl Shift right arrow key. It will select the header. Ctrl Shift down arrow key. It will select the entire table. Press Ctrl plus T. A pop-up window will come for asking whether we want to convert this into a table. When you press enter, it will automatically create into a table format. Now this is already converted into table format. Now we will analyze the data by using pivot table. To do it, I will select this table, then click on insert, click on pivot table. In the pivot table, it will ask for which table, that is a table 1. Okay. Once you click on OK, the right side you will see all the fields of the data which is getting populated. Now what is that we're going to see here? This is the Titanic data set as an example. Now we're going to see how many passenger has survived and not survived. So first I will take the survived data into the rows, same survived data into the values. Now it is defaulted for sum. Now what we're going to do, we're going to convert that into a count. How to do it? Now if you right click on this, click on value settings, select count. Now there are 891 passengers. Out of 891 passengers, 0 stands for not survived, 1 stands for survived. Now 0 stands for not survived, which is 549 passengers are not able to survive, which is they are died, and survived is 1, that is 342 passengers. Now we will take some of the other variables to analyze the data. Now this is a first level of data, we got it on a survival counts. Next level, we get into a PO class, passenger class. When we drag and drop here into the rows, we will have a segregation of how much survived or not survived, and across the passenger classes here. Now you want to see only the passenger level. You can go right click here, expand or collapse entire field. Again the same, whatever you are taken the pure table, it will come. Now you want to expand and see the passenger class, what we have drag and drop. Right click here, go to expand or collapse, expand entire field. Now we're going to get the gender here, third variable, it's the second variable, will get come into to the gender. Now again it has added into the pivot. What we're going to do is now we create this into a tabular format. How to do it? Just select, go to design, select on report layout, show in tabular form. So it is already showing in the tabular form. Now what we're going to do is just we'll take out the subtotal. How we're going to do is just we're going to right click here, click on subtotals. So it will untick the subtotals and the value which will be coming out here. This is how we can able to look into it. Now you want to see the gender in the column area, you can just click on here for the respective passenger classes on a particular gender, what is the survival on each classes and what is the gender. You can easily visualize the data.